To make the upgrade to your new Smart Lock Ultra as easy and comfortable as possible, we have developed a new data migration feature. To migrate connections, lock permissions and feature settings, you create a backup of your existing smart lock in advance. All your data is locally stored on your smartphone, not transferred to Nuki servers or saved in the cloud. During the first installation of your new Smart Lock Ultra, the backup is restored on your Nuki Ultra. Which data will be transferred for you? The general configurations. Also, the feature settings will be transferred. Existing access permissions will also be transferred to your new smart lock with the usernames and settings. However, for security reasons, you have to resend invitations to all of your users to activate them again. Furthermore, the Nuki app provides guidance for seamless setup of already used Nuki accessories. The new Smart Lock Ultra is compatible with all current Nuki accessories, like the fob, the Keypad 1 and 2, the Nuki door sensor, as well as with a new universal cylinder.